I back this company because Whizz is a one-to-one tutor, but delivered through a computer rather than a person. It acts as a true virtual tutor, adapting specifically to every child's individual needs and ability. I've always believed that maths is fun. It can be a joy to learn, and when a child succeeds, it builds a level of confidence that stays with them for life. Whether the child is lagging behind and needs to find that joy, or if they are a high flyer who needs stretching problems to stay interested, then Whizz meets them exactly where they are with what they need. As an investor, I'm excited because Whizz is scalable, big time. This isn't just a UK tool, it's a global platform making waves in diverse markets like Kenya and the Democratic Republic of Congo. We've seen what's possible with a 20% market share in places like New Zealand. Now imagine applying that proven model to the millions of students across the US and the Commonwealth. Whizz is bridging the education divide. That is a mission with massive growth potential. If you're looking for an investment that combines cutting-edge technology with a profound social impact, I encourage you to join us in this next phase. Let's help Whizz reach the next million students.